Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this Dutch braid messy bun. I like to start off by spraying some dry shampoo into my hair to give it some extra volume and texture. Take a section of hair from the top of the head and divide it into 3. Take the left piece underneath into the middle, and then take the right piece under into the middle. Then again take the left piece, but this time we're going to add in a small new section of hair before crossing them both under and into the middle. And then repeat with the right, so take a small new section, add it in, and then cross them both under into the middle. And then just repeat those steps all the way down until you've added in all of the hair. Once all of the hair is added in, secure the hair into a low ponytail. And then I like to go back and pull on the hair going into the braid to make it a little bit softer around my face, and go back and pull on the edges of the braid to give it a little more volume. Take a few sections from the ponytail and backcomb them to give the ponytail some extra volume. Once you're happy with the ponytail, take a loop of the elastic and pull the hair back up through halfway to create a loop. Then take different sections from the loop and pull them in different directions and pin them in place to create a bun shape. And then take the ends and tuck them back underneath and pin them in place. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!